When choosing between the Milwaukee 3002 and 3107 right-angle drills, both of which are 7-amp drills, a key factor to consider is the speed range. The Milwaukee 3002 offers two speeds 0 to 400 RPM and 0 to 900 RPM, while the Milwaukee 3107 offers 0 to 335 RPM and 0 to 750 RPM. The higher speed range of the 3002, specifically the 0 to 900 RPM setting, provides greater versatility. This higher speed allows for efficient drilling in a wide array of materials and applications. For instance, when drilling smaller holes in wood or metal, a higher speed is generally preferred for faster material removal and cleaner cuts. When dealing with larger diameter holes, harder materials, or using certain types of drill bits, a lower speed may be necessary to maintain control and prevent overheating of the bit. Having the option of a higher speed allows the user to adapt to various drilling requirements. Consider the types of projects you anticipate working on most frequently. If your work involves a mix of materials and hole sizes, the 3002's broader speed range offers a distinct advantage. If your projects primarily involve tasks that require lower speeds, the 3107 may be sufficient. However, the flexibility afforded by the 3002 makes it a more adaptable choice overall. In addition to the speed range, the availability of a 30-inch extension is a noteworthy consideration. A 30-inch extension significantly increases the reach of the drill, enabling access to tight or awkward spaces. This is particularly useful in applications such as electrical wiring, plumbing, or automotive repair, where components may be located in difficult-to-reach areas. The extension allows you to maintain a comfortable working position and apply adequate pressure without straining or contorting your body. The 30-inch extension is compatible with both the 3002 and 3107 drills. Its impact resistance ensures the extension can withstand demanding drilling conditions. The extension also ensures that the drill bit remains securely in place during operation, minimizing the risk of slippage or damage. Ultimately, the decision between the Milwaukee 3002 and 3107 drills depends on the specific needs and preferences. However, considering the broader speed range and the potential utility of the 30-inch extension, the 3002 emerges as the more versatile and adaptable option for a wider range of drilling applications.